बट फिर लीफ प्रिंटिंग कराएंगे. एंड देन देयर इज अ क्लासिक आंसर आई गेट फ्रॉम टीचर्स, मैम हमने लीफ तोड़े नहीं थे. आई सेड 1,00,000 प्री स्कूल है इस कंट्री में, हर प्री स्कूल में 100 बच्चे हैं, कितने नीचे पड़े हुए लीफ मिले तुम लोग को? और साइंस में सिखाते हो कि लीव्स आर द लंग्स ऑफ अ प्लांट. लंग्स से पेंटिंग कराते हो. सोचो ये 21st सेंचुरी है, ये तो और भी बड़ा खतरनाक है. अभी पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी एंड हाइजीन चल रहा था, तो मुझे बताया गया कि ईयरबड से कान साफ होते हैं. फिर आर्ट करा रहे हो जिसमें मुझे बोलते हैं ईयरबड से पेंटिंग करो. यू कंफ्यूजिंग विद Piaget. Don't confuse me with two conflicting concepts at this. किसके आंखों में वेइंग स्केल होता है? I know ladies के आंखों में तो होता है, because ladies look at you upside down and like this and they tell you you've lost weight. कैसे पता चला? नहीं है. They cannot understand from a worksheet which is heavy and which is उसका भी एक बाप worksheet देते हो आप. Take the soft objects and the child looks at the paper. These are sensory concepts, cannot be done on a. If you want to do it on the worksheet, आपको पेपर बेचना ही है, तो पहले physically कराओ. Then tell them now we did that experiment. Now based on the experiment, food and healthy food, everybody teaches, but our toys promote a lot of junk food. Again, conflicting concept. And it's cheap. Maria Montessori turns in her grave every time we use this. She made this for a reason. She wanted children to understand their width. It's not Montessori's didactic equipment. This is an insult to Montessori. हम लोग खुश होते हैं. जैक का सर फूट गया. जिन बेचारी गुगड़ करते नीचे आ गई, और हम लोग हंस के ये गाना गाते हैं क्लास में और फिर बोलते हैं एम्पैथी नहीं है. कैसी होगी? हम्टी डम्टी बेचारा टूट फूट गया, कोई उसको जोड़ नहीं पाएगा. अभी हम हंस के गाना गाते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं एम्पैथी नहीं है. Out said the piggy, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care. When are we going to change this? Simple change चाहिए. Sorry, said the engine driver, I will take more care. Jack and Jill देखो, Jack and Jill भी हमने change किया. इधर क्यों नहीं आया है? Shame on me. वेबसाइट पे जाओ, Jack and Jill भी change किया है. Humpty Dumpty भी change किया है. Do you know the new Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty sat on a ball. Come on.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a ball.
Humpty Dumpty did not have a fall.
Humpty Dumpty did not have a fall.
He knew how to be careful.
He knew how to be careful.
He knew how to play.
He knew how to play.
And that century. आप डायल फोन से स्मार्टफोन पे आए हो, बच्चों का हम्टी डम्टी को भी तो स्मार्ट बनने दो. Let's look at this. This is no more the average Indian family. Indian families have become like this. So when you show a picture of my family, use this chart which is available free on the Early Childhood Association website. And please show both genders in community helpers. Don't do annual concerts in which boys are dressed as doctors and girls are dressed as nurses. What are you teaching the girl child? You can never aspire to become a doctor. So please use this. Please see that these dots and these dots are visible. Our country, with both of these, being mindful about these small things because children are learning. And yeah, North of India has this fashion of celebrating Independence Day on the 14th of August. I don't know which countries they are celebrating. Now everything put together, we put a baby in a crib and we put one Junjuna above them. Now this Junjuna has elephant, pig, lion, tiger, and we think बच्चा lion, tiger देख रहा है. अरे बच्चा तो ऐसे सोया है ना, उसको क्या दिख रहा है? So actually आप सब लोग आप जो प्रैक्टिस कर तशरीफ दिखा रहे हैं. That's the 21st century change that we all need to do. And I leave you with this last slide and a last game for all of you. Do you know how to play rock, paper, scissors? Yeah? You don't know how to play? Come lucky. Let's play. Or a scissor. Now, we'll tell you what happens. Rock, paper, scissors. Koi nahi jeeta. Rock, paper, scissors. Now, paper can cover a rock. So I won. But if I had put a scissor and he had put a rock, rock can crush a scissor. There. Turn to your partner. Let's play rock paper. ऐसे थोड़ा. Okay? मजा आया? Did you do a rock paper scissors when you go home today? What was the rock of this session for you? Which means what was it that you feel that I want to learn more about this? For some people, it will be TPR. I have to remember this. Which were those points? And scissor. Which were the points that you were convinced about in the workshop that I will change this in my school? I will cut this out from my school. I will not continue with this practice. If each one of us even brings one change, think of what 21st. And I will send you my PowerPoint. Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here with all of you, and thank you to